Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RPIIT Academics. I am Avika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Pastara, Karnataka. Today, we are going to discuss about the modern concept in the development of drugs and pharmaceuticals. So, some of the most important aspects of the natural product that led to the modern development of drugs and pharmaceuticals are as follows. First is isolation of phytochemicals. So, strong acting substances like glycosides of digitalis, alkaloids of hyoscyamus and belladonna, ergot, ravolfia, morphine and other alkaloids of opium were isolated and their clinical uses were studied. Structure activity relationship. Presence of a lectin ring is essential for the action of cardiac glycosides. Likewise, anthraquinone glycosides cannot have their action without satisfying the position at C1, C3, C8, C9 and C10. Drugs obtained by partial synthesis of natural products. Oxytocic activity of methyl ergotamine is more than that of ergometrin. In ergotamine, by 9:10 hydrogenation, oxytocin activity is suppressed and spasmolytic activity increases. The preparation of steroid hormones from diazoxide by acetylysis and oxidation and further preparation of cortisone by microbial reaction, steroid hormones and their semi-synthetic analogues represent a multi-million-dollar industry in the United States. Natural products as models for synthesis of new drugs. Morphine is the model of large group of potent analgesics, cocaine for local anesthetic, atropine for certain spasmolytics, dicomarol for anticoagulants and salicin for salicylic acid derivatives. Without model substances from plants, a large number of synthetics would have been missed. Drugs of direct therapeutic uses. Among the natural constituents which even now cannot be replaced are important group of antibiotics, steroids, ergot, alkaloids and certain anti-tumor substances. Further, drugs as digitoxin, strophanthus, glycosides, morphine, atropine and several others are known since long and have survived their later by synthetic analogues. Biosynthetic pathways are the primary and secondary metabolites. Some of the important pathways are Calvin cycle for photosynthesis, sticmic acid pathway of aromatic compounds, acetate hypothesis for anthracene glycosides, isoprenoid hypothesis for terpenes, steroid via acetate malonic acid, isopentyl pyrophosphate and squalene. Now, progress from 1960 onwards. During this period, only a few active constituents, mainly antibiotics, hormones and anti-tumor drugs were isolated or new possibilities for their production were found. From 6-aminopenicillinic acid, which has very little antibiotic action of its own, important broad spectrum, semi-synthetic penicillins like ampicillin and amoxicillin were developed. From ergocriptin, an alkaloid of ergot, bromocriptin has been synthesized. Bromocriptin is a prolactin inhibitor and has activity in Parkinson's disease and in cancer. By application of several disciplines, pharmacognosy forms from a descriptive subject has again developed into an integral and important disciplines of pharmaceutical sciences. Thank you and have a nice day.